family, it's your girl Miss T. Thanks for taking a moment to stop by and kick it with your girl. So today guys, I have some wild caught salmon. Yes, no hormone injected gargantuan fish for your girl. Stay woke. So today guys, I'm going to make a garlic butter cream spinach salmon dish. Yes, sounds scrumptious. Don't worry though, this dish is only going to take you about 30 minutes to prepare. So as always, if you have any questions or comments about this recipe, please leave them down below. Now stay tuned for the video. So guys, for this recipe, the first thing that we need to do is season our salmon. I'm not going to do too much, just a little salt and a little freshly ground black pepper. Next, we got to prepare our frying pan. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to the bottom of the pan, just enough to coat the pan, and we're going to put this on a medium-high heat. Next, we'll place the salmon inside the frying pan, and we're just going to saute these on medium-high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. I like to start with my salmon skin side down, so we can really lock in that flavor. So after 2 to 3 minutes, we'll go ahead and flip the salmon over and we'll continue to saute for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now I want mine really crisp. I want a nice flaky crispy layer on there. When you're done with that, go ahead and remove them from the pan. And this part is optional. You can remove some of that skin. I'm just going to leave mine on, but do you boo.
Yes, don't those look beautiful? So guys, now that we're done preparing our salmon, we can go ahead and prepare our veggies for our sauce. I'm going to chop up a few chives and shallots. And if you can't find shallots, a yellow onion will do. Let's get it.
So next we're going to add a little bit of butter to this very same pan that you fried the salmon in. We're going to add the garlic and the shallots. Now we're just going to saute these for a couple minutes until the garlic is nice and fragrant. We don't want the garlic to burn. Usually this isn't any more than about 1 to 2 minutes. Next, we'll add the coconut milk, a little dash of heavy whipping cream, and our cream cheese all to this same pan. Next, we'll add a little Parmesan cheese to finish the sauce. We're going to whisk this together until all of the ingredients are fully incorporated, and then we can add some crushed red pepper flakes, a little salt, and a little pepper.
And finally guys, we're going to finish this with a little lemon juice and add our chives and our parsley.
And now we can add the baby spinach leaves to the sauce. We don't want to cook these too long, maybe about 3 to 5 minutes, just enough to wilt the leaves.
Oh my goodness, guys. I already tried the sauce and it is delicious. So now I have some chives here. Just going to add a few chives and stir that in. I think that coconut milk and that lemon, oh my God, really brings out the flavor. This looks beautiful.
And now you can remove it from the heat. We're done. So guys, that's it. I told y'all this was easy, only about 30 minutes. Yeah, and look at the finished product. Yes, nice and crispy crust there, flavorful. I hooked myself up with some grilled asparagus. It's going down. So guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Please subscribe. And hit that notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Peace.